Good morning. Heading to the BART station to head to Berkeley to volunteer for a few hours. Hello. Back home. Well, back to the BART station. I was just shredding stuff today. And the shredder kept overheating, and then I got stressed out because it was like I have to wait for it to like the light turn off. But anyways, got some of that done, and then was gonna take the bus back because it was like sort of raining, but it was taking too long, and so then I ended up just walking, and then I saw the bus go by me, and I was like, well, maybe I should have just waited. But yeah, I'm gonna drive home and then get started on the food. Hello. Okay, got back a little bit ago. I've been like helping out my PI from like my master's program with this new cohort, and like helping him kind of project manager for that the project that I had worked on for my master's. And so he was trying to get me like formally hired so I can get paid for what I was doing, but there was like a hiring freeze when I started, so then it took a little bit. So he let me know today that the position actually like fully went through, and so I just had to like fill out like a application. I had already sent him my application. I just had to put it like online. So hopefully that'll get fully settled now, and I can get paid, and so I won't be unemployed anymore. That'll be fun. It's like a part-time thing. Now it's finally time to make lunch. It's 1:41, so I am hungry. I might eat something as a snack. Well, actually probably should, because I'm gonna eat with my parents. Okay, I'll eat something now. I'll figure out what I'm gonna eat, and I have to make the food. I cut up my veggies. I have this, I like boiled it, but I want to stir fry it with this. So I'm going to put this on the pan first and then add this in a little bit later. And then I have the rice in here. I'm going to do the eggs right now. I have to scramble the eggs and then separate them and then start on the rice. Okay. Here's the egg. Egg is done. I fear I didn't vlog anything from that last clip, but it's all done, and I tasted it, and it tastes pretty good. But I'm gonna wait until my parents get home, so I'm gonna figure out what I can eat. Actually, I'm just gonna eat some of this, and then I'll eat more once my parents get home. Okay, so I've just been watching Bel Air. I'm almost done with season 3. It's almost 6. My parents have been stuck in traffic. They were supposed to get home like 10 minutes ago. But I've set up the table. I found this sparkling blush. I know the other day we brought over our like sparkling cider that we had to my sister's. So I was like, oh, I don't think we have any left. But then when I checked, we have 2 ciders that are different, and then that sparkling blush. So I'm not sure where those came from. But I figured, let's open one of them. I don't know what the difference between the blush and the other ones are. Like, I don't know what this is of. Oh, it has cherry. That's what it is. It's apple and cherry. But it should be good. I was heating up the food because I thought they were gonna be here, but apparently they're still a good like 10 or 15 minutes away. So I guess we'll wait. But let me show you. Here's a little card for me and my sister. I don't know if my sister's coming, because she had like coming. She also doesn't like the food that way, so I'm not sure that she's gonna come to eat. But also she had, she's got out of work not that long ago, and her friend is in like beauty school of some sorts. So she's trying a facial out on her. I feel like she might come later. Maybe we can play some games, but I don't think she's gonna have dinner with us. So it'll just be the 3 of us. And so I'm gonna keep watching Bel Air until my parents get here, and then I'll show you the food I'll set up. Okay, well, they really liked it. What did my dad suggest? Oh, it's because the rice, I forgot to make it yesterday, so I had to make it today, so I feel like it would have been better. So that I would change, and then maybe just more seafood. But yeah, overall pretty good. And then they had the danishes for dessert. And yeah, so success.